a bunch of the basics and the essentials for beach fishing, the things that you need to know to catch some fish right off the bat. So stay tuned. All right, we're on our journey.
Yay.
We got our salt baits. We've got our food and drinks. Got our cameras. And show them my rod setup right now.
Okay. Look at that setup. He's got the rods. He got the tubes. He got all his surf gear, bucket, and that's it.
And we're coming here at a low tide, which is going to be awesome. We're going to look for some shark teeth. We're going to catch some whiting. We're going to find a good spot to fish.
So low. Low tide.
Ew.
It's not a poop, it's a piece of wood.
Someone didn't clean up their dog poop. Look at that. See, the nice part about coming here during low tide is you're able to see all the structure here when the water's gone. So when you come back on high tide, you know that, you see this channel right here? It's gonna be probably gonna be a good spot right here. All right, so we've got to our spot, and I want to talk to you guys about some